Hey guys, today I'm going to be showcasing my nerf guns, so let's get into it. Here's my first one. Right to you. So this is a good one to use. And my next one, okay? And then this one. This one's quite bad, but let's test them out. Okay guys, it's time to show you. No, not over there. You can't shoot from over there.
Right, I've got 1 minute starting now.
Oh no! Wait! It's not working! This one's not working.
Well, that one has longer range.
Listen.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
Well, you'll break the thing.
Move out the way. What? You set it up wrong.
No, I've not set it up wrong. See, I've not set it up wrong.
The last bullet. Oh, yes! And that's how you do it, guys. All in one go. Bye.